Okay, cinnamon challenge number 2. Oh God, he's scared.
You're wasting my water.
Don't be knocking all that off that fucking spoon. Come on.
Okay, here's like a hot, fiery.
Just do it, just do it.
Last time I spit some of it out. Does it still count?
No, you gotta
Come on.
take it to the head, Michael.
I can't take it. It's
Just do it. It's not that bad. Don't try to swallow it. Slow. Yeah, chew that shit up. You gotta move your hand. Is it hot? No, Isabel, back up. Armor, leave him alone.
Oh my God!
Michael got dessert.
Oh, that's hot! You okay, Spoon?
He turned on.
Oh my God, it's horrible!
Quit with the damn sprayer.
Quit spraying it on me.
It's in the bottom of my mouth. I can't.
Brandon, you're next.
No, I'm good.
Oh.